In astrology, everyone keeps saying that this planet has become exalted, this planet has become debilitated. But the common man doesn't understand which planet is exalted and which is debilitated. In astrology, that planet is considered to be an exalted planet which is bound to give good fruit. Then why should it not be a bad planet? But if it is obliged to give good fruit, then that planet is considered exalted. And if a planet is good in the same way but it becomes obliged to give bad fruit, then that planet is called debilitated. We will consider this as an example, as if an evil person went to a temple and sat down, then that person is bound to give good fruit. So, similarly, if a bad planet sits in a good place, then it is bound to produce good fruit. Here I have written one number. This means that the zodiac of one number is Aries. If there were two numbers here, it would have been the Taurus. It would have been the Taurus zodiac. If there had been five number, it would have become the Leo zodiac. If it had been 10 number, then it would have become Capricorn. Then the number that was written here would be the zodiac sign it occurs at. First number, which is the Aries zodiac. The sun gets exalted in Aries. It starts bearing more fruit than its normal power. Taurus is the number of two zodiac signs. Moon in this zodiac sign becomes exalted. Rahu is also considered to be exalted in zodiac sign, although Rahu is also considered to be exalted in Gemini, as Rahu is friend of both Venus and Mercury. Taurus is the sign of Venus and Gemini is the sign of Mercury. So Rahu is exalted in both Taurus and Gemini. In the zodiac sign of number 4, which is the Cancer sign, in this zodiac the Jupiter is considered to be exalted. No planet is considered high or low in the Leo sign of number 5 because no planet in the Sun sign is high or low. The number 6, which is the Virgo zodiac, is the Mool Trikona sign of Mercury, which is the only planet that gives higher results in its own zodiac. All other planets are exalted in the zodiac sign of other planets. The number 7, which is the Libra sign, it is the sign of Venus. In this sign, Saturn becomes exalted and it's bound to give good fruits. The zodiac sign of number 8, which is the sign of Scorpio, Mars is the ruler of this zodiac sign. In this zodiac, Ketu becomes exalted. Rahu and Ketu are always in oppositions to each other. To the degree of Rahu, Ketu is also in front of him. In the zodiac sign of number 9, which is the Sagittarius, Ketu becomes exalted in this zodiac. As Rahu in Taurus and Gemini are exalted, in the same way Ketu becomes exalted in Scorpio and Sagittarius. The zodiac of number 10, which is the Capricorn, is the normal sign of Saturn. But when his killer enemy Mars comes in this zodiac sign, Mars starts giving fruit of exalted. He starts giving auspicious results. Finally, the number 12, which is the Pisces, Venus gets exalted in this zodiac sign and bound to give good fruits. So we saw when the planets are exalted. Now we see when the planets are debilitated. As I told that when the sun becomes exalted in Aries, then the sun in its zodiac sign in front of it in Libra becomes debilitated. In the same way, when the moon becomes exalted in Taurus, then the moon in the zodiac sign in front of it becomes debilitated. While preceding in the same order, the Jupiter becomes exalted in Cancer. Then the sign in front of him in Capricorn debilitated. Mercury is exalted in Virgo, then Mercury becomes debilitated in Pisces in front of it. In the same way, if Mars is exalted in Capricorn, then the zodiac sign in front of it becomes debilitated in Cancer. And finally, Venus is exalted in Pisces, then the zodiac sign in front of it, Virgo, is debilitated. So you saw that the planet exaltation, which is in the zodiac sign, it is debilitated in the zodiac sign in front of it. So let me give today's tip of the day. People who are having a debate in the office, people who are having trouble in the workplace, who are not working with their boss, ignoring your work in the office, if there is no promotion in the job or you are not getting along with your boss, then it is a panacea treatment. Just wake up early morning and just bow to the sun god and say, "Oh sun god, keep your grace on us." Surya Deva controls administrative power. In this way, you can get the solution of your problem. You do not have to offer water to Surya Dev, nor do you have to wear any gemstone, nor do you have to donate. Only and only by facing the east, bow to the sun god. If you salute the sun god, this will solve a lot of your problem.